Hi everyone, I am Anna Justina, daughter of Pakiraj, metric number 272057 from University Uttara, Malaysia. Today, I am going to talk about customer relationship management. Definition of customer relationship management. CRM is a business strategy directed to understand, anticipate, and respond to the needs of enterprise, current and potential customer in order to grow the relationship value. Purpose of customer relationship management. The main purpose of customer relationship management is on creating value for the customer and the company over the long term. When customers value the customer service that they receive from suppliers, they are less likely to look to alternative suppliers for their needs. Customer relationship management also enables organizations to gain competitive advantages over competitors that supply similar products or services. Why is it customer relationship management is important? Customer relationship is important because in today's business compete with multi-product offerings created and delivered by networks, alliance and partnership of many kinds, both retaining customers and building relationship with other value. Adding alliance is critical to corporate performance. The adoption of customer relationship management is being fueled by a recognition that long-term relationship with customers are one of the most important assets of an organization. The five types of customer relationship management are analytic customer relationship management, collaborative customer relationship management, operational customer relationship management, geographic customer relationship management, and sales intelligent customer relationship management. Analytic customer relationship management is designed to analyze deeply the customer's information and data and unwrap or disclose the essential convention and intention of behavior of customer, which capitalization can be done by the organization. Collaborative customer relationship management. Collaborative customer relationship management deals with synchronization and integration of customer interaction and channel of communication like phone, email, fax, web, and etc. with the intent of referencing the customers a consistent systemic way. Operational customer relationship management. Operational customer relationship management is mainly focused on automation, improvement, and enhancement of business process which are based on customer facing or customer supporting. Geographical customer relationship management. Geographical customer relationship management combines geographic information system and traditional customer relationship management. Geographic data can be analyzed to provide snapshot of potential customer in region to plan routes for customer visits. And then sales is intelligence customer relationship management. It is top performing sales organization are meeting the challenges of identifying the most likely buyers of their product and services through the development of sales intelligence solution that introduce a wide variety of data streams to their frontline staff. By empowering their sellers with better information about their prospect companies, markets, and individuals, these firms are able to maximize their chances of hitting quota and at the same time create efficiency within the sales operation environment. Implementing customer relationship management. When introducing or developing customer relationship management, a strategic review of the organization's current position should be undertaken. Organizations need to address four issues, which is first of all, what is our core business and how will it evolve in the future? Secondly, what form of customer relationship management is appropriate for our business now and in future? Third, what IT infrastructure do we have and what do we need to support the future organization needs? And number 4, what vendors and partners do we need to choose? Process to implement customer relationship management. First of all, identification, where CRM solution walk through proof of concepts. Then solution design, where alignment of organization goals, gap analysis, technological design. Then rapid implementation, where project management, end-to-end app setups, configuration and Q&A session. Then customer development, customer reports, facilitation and custom add-ons. Then upgrades to new version. User training group, where walk through user procedures training. Support, post-production support. I'm sure everyone is keep on thinking, why did customer relationship management develop? Customer relationship management developed for a number of reasons. First of all, the 1980s onwards saw rapid shifts in business that changed customer power. Then the supply exceeded demand for most products. Then sellers had little pricing power. The only protection available to suppliers of goods and services was in their relationship with customers. Do you all know what does customer relationship management involve? Customer relationship management involves the following, which is organization must become customer focused. Then organization must be prepared to adapt so that it take customer needs into account and delivers them. Then market research must be undertaken to assess customer needs and satisfaction. Benefits of customer relationship management, which is reduce cost because the right things are being done. For example, effective and efficient operation. Second, increase customer satisfaction because they are getting exactly what they want. Example, meeting and exceeding expectation. Number 3, ensuring that the focus of organizational is external. Number 4, growth in number of customers. Number 5, maximization of opportunities. For example, increase service and reference. Number 6, increase access to a source of market and competitor information. Then, highlight poor operational process. Lastly, long-term profitability and sustainability. In conclusion, the term Customer Relationship Management (CRM) describes system and process within companies which, with the help of customer data, aim to unify and improve customer service in order to achieve higher level of customer loyalty. Customer relationship management brings together various departments such as sales and marketing to ensure a uniform approach which ultimately contributes to increasing the company's success. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you all gained some information.